How to fix not charging 200% on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery, scroll down and click on battery protection. After click on battery protection, if you want to fix battery not charging, so make sure you will see 80%, 85%, 95%, 90%, and turn off battery protection button. After turn off battery protection button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.